morning, Jai Jinendra to all of you students. How are you all of you? So today we start our new chapter. This one is the chapter number 18, probability. Basic simple chapter. You learn about in this chapter in class 9th, something part. Uh, According to the board point of view, this chapter is 4 marks. In board paper there are two questions. First one is a 1 mark and second one is a 3 mark. That means from this chapter two questions come. First one 1 mark and second one 3rd mark. This comes in section A and this comes section C. This one comes in a section C. So basic concept of the probability. Probability means to happening an event. Happening an event that outcomes will be not sure. Like that example, I am saying to my friend, today is raining. Today is raining. That may be possible or not possible. Means बारिश की संभावना है, वो हो सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती है, हम उसके बारे में श्योर नहीं है, हम कंफर्म नहीं है. तो ऐसे जो आउटकम्स जिसके बारे में हम प्रॉपर्ली श्योर नहीं है, दैट कम्स टू द प्रोबेबिलिटी. Probability always in a fraction because limit of probability is 0 less than to 1. That means वो 0 और 1 के बीच में ही कंसीडर करती है. 0 और 1 के बीच में मीन्स या तो वो 0 के इक्वल और 0 से बड़ी या वो 1 के इक्वल और 1 से छोटी. तो दैट्स व्हाई वो प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 से बड़ी कभी नहीं हो सकती. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी comes always in fraction. We write down in decimal, but decimal also comes to the fraction. So probability limits belongs to 0 to 1. Now some basic parts of probability, that is event. इवेंट मीन्स आपने किसी भी चीज को परफॉर्म किया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इवेंट. लाइक दैट टॉस द कॉइन, प्लेइंग कार्ड्स, डाइस, दीज ऑल आर द इवेंट्स. इन इवेंट्स को परफॉर्म करने के बाद में जो आउटपुट हमें मिलता है, दैट कॉल्ड द आउटकम्स. After this, favorable outcomes upon total outcomes comes the probability. So the formula of probability of an event A, that is probability of event. This one is the probability. There is one particular event A, B, C, E, F, D, anyone, okay, equals to favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. This one is the basic formula of probability. Probability of event A is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So there are two types of probability we run. First one, I told you the probability limits belongs to 0 to 1. 0 to 1. That's why the probability of any event is 0. If 0, this is impossible event. This is impossible event. And if probability of any event is 1, then this is sure event. This is sure event. Now repeat this. If probability of any event is 0, this one is the impossible event. If probability of any event is 1, that is the sure event. Like that, we take an example. Suppose I have a bag. In bag there are 5 balls and all 5 balls are red color. All 5 balls red color. All 5 are red color. If randomly I choose one ball from this bag, and what is the probability that this ball will be green ball? This ball will be green ball. We know that in bag all balls are red. Then how is it possible to come green ball? That means this one is the impossible event. So probability will be 0. मीन्स ग्रीन बॉल तो बैग में है ही नहीं, तो ग्रीन बॉल आएगी कहां से? आएगी तो जो भी बॉल आएगी वो रेड बॉल ही आएगी. सो दिस वन इज द इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट, देन प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 0. इन केस टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द बॉल कम्स विल बी रेड, देन probability will be 1 because all balls are red. That's why each and every ball we take out from the bag, this is only color red. That is the sure event. So probability will be 1. Understand about the impossible event and sure event? Okay. Now move on. Some examples. First one is the coin case. In coin there are two outcomes, head and tail. So sample space, head or tail. In case of one coin, if two coin there will be 4 outcomes. First one head, second one head tail, third one tail head and fourth one tail tail. That means या तो दोनों ही outcomes क्या होंगे? हेड होंगे, या एक हेड और एक टेल होगा, या एक टेल और एक हेड होगा, या दोनों ही क्या होंगे? टेल होंगे. There is total outcomes 4. In case of 3 coins, there is total 8 outcomes. First one head head head, second one head head tail, third one head tail head, fourth one head tail tail, fifth one tail head head, tail head tail, tail tail head and tail tail tail. There are total 8 outcomes. Outcomes will be 2 की power 1. Total outcomes 2 and coin 1. That's why 2 की power 1 equals to 2. So total outcomes 2. 2 की power 2. Actual outcomes 2, coin 2. That's why 2 की power 2. Total outcomes 4. 2 की power 3. Actual outcomes 2, coin 3. That's why 2 की power 8. Total outcomes will be 8. So this is the basic concept of regarding to the coin. Now we move on to the basic concept of dice. In one dice there are 6 outcomes. In one dice there are 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. According to the one dice, many questions are made. First one is the find the probability of 1, find the probability of 2, find the probability of 3, find the probability of 5, 4, 6. Yeah, find the probability of even number, find the probability of odd number, find the probability of co-prime numbers. Like that, many types of questions. But in case of two dice, I'll explain you 6 total outcomes and dice 2, the 6 की power 2, then outcome will be 36. So 36 outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These all are 36 outcomes like that pairs 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 and so on 6, 6. Using this many questions we made, many questions we have to solve like that pair of even numbers, pair of odd numbers, sum of 2, sum of 4, sum of 7, multiplication of 9, multiple of 10, like that many questions. So this is the basic information about dice. Now move to the playing cards. There are total 52 cards in a deck of playing cards if not included joker. If included joker, there are plus 2 joker. But if not included joker, there are 52 cards. If these 52 cards are divided into 4 parts, each part have 13 cards. Each part have 13 cards. First one is spade. Second one is the club. Third one is diamond. And fourth one is the heart. Spade and club both are the black card, black color. And diamond and heart both are red card. That means total black card is 26. Total red card is also 26. After this, there are ace, king, queen and jack. These 4 cards are main cards. Ace, each single type of ace. That's why ace total 4, king also 4, queen also 4 and jack also 4. Remaining all cards are numbered card. That is 2 to 10. 2 to 10. So total 13 cards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ace, king, queen and jack. Ace मतलब इक्का, king मतलब राजा बादशाह, queen मतलब बेगम and jack मतलब गुलाम. All total cards, only these 3 cards have face. If you play the playing cards, then you notice down that these 3 cards only have face. Remaining cards are put ourselves number only. These 3 cards have the face. So there are total face card. total face card is equals to 12 and the red face card is 6 and black face card is also 6. Red face card is 6 and black face card is also 6. This is the family of playing cards. Means सब प्लेइंग कार्ड के कौन सा बेटा है, कौन सा बेटी है, कौन से किसका क्या रिलेशन है, किसका क्या फादर है, किसका क्या मदर है, जो भी है वो सारा इसके अंदर आ चुका है. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. अब ये भी तो होता है ना कि जैसे मैंने बोला है कि ये चीज होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी है 1/2 है सपोज करो, तो कोई ये भी तो बोलेगा नहीं इसके होने नहीं होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी. दैट मीन्स अगर कोई चीज होती है तो उसके नहीं होना भी तो होगा. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ इवेंट. This one is the if probability of A to happening an event, then probability of not happening an event belongs to probability of A bar. The total sum is always 1. Means किसी भी इवेंट का होना और किसी भी इवेंट का नहीं होना, इन दोनों का एडिशन हमेशा क्या होगा? 1 होगा. हमेशा क्या होगा? 1. Happen to an event, not happen to an event, and always sum will be 1. So this is all the basic concept of probability. Dice, coin, playing cards, sum of the probabilities, limits of the probability. Now sure event, impossible event. Now we move on to the questions. Like that, there are first question is if a bag defective pen 144 and correct pen 24. Bag have contained two types of pen. First one is the defective pen 144. Second one is the correct pen 24. Then to find the probability, find probability to come correct pen. Find the probability to come correct pen. First, you have to find total outcomes. Total outcomes, this plus this, because in the bag there are two types of pen. First one is the 144 and second one is the 24. So the total will be 144 plus 24. That is the 168. Now which probability? Correct pen. There are correct pen will be 24. So the favorable outcome. Favorable outcome 24. That's why the probability of an event, favorable outcomes upon total outcome. Cancel out. Again cancel out. Again 1/7. This is the final answer. If in this question says that find the probability to come defective pen, find the probability defective pen, then there are probability of an event defective, favorable 144, and correct one, sorry, total one 168. Cancel out these. Answer will be 6 upon 7. So this one is the final. Thank you. Have a nice day.